Hi, welcome to another turkey roasting video. Today is Turkey Tuesday. Sometimes you get a deal with turkey that you can't resist, even though I've had my turkey for Thanksgiving. This one is a 17-pound bird I got on a deep discount, so I guess I couldn't resist it. Again, this is one of these tender and juicy birds, which means it's pumped with uh, broth and other things. So I'll take off the bag and look at the bird and go through the cleaning process like I did in the previous videos. All right, this 2-hour turkey recipe is what my brother did with his family, and it was intriguing in the sense how he cooked it. So what he did was he used soy sauce and coated the skin inside and out and with soy sauce, and also on the inside. Soy sauce has a lot of glutamines or glutamate, so it adds to the what they call the umami flavor. You know, instead of adding salt and pepper on the bird, soy sauce, and also the soy sauce will help add color to the bird. And don't be afraid to use your hands. I mean, this, I know it's raw, but you're going to wash your hands. Uh, he didn't give me exact amounts, but I'm sure this is, you know, you want to put a coating on the turkey. So you could just eyeball it. Make sure every bit gets covered. Just think this is a sort of artificial tan for turkeys. And then let me move it up. Pour some soy sauce inside here. Whoops. Soy sauce there. All right, I've given the bird a coating of soy sauce. And the next step is to coat the bird with oil. I'm just going to use avocado oil. Again, just use your hands. Well, will help brown the skin, and hopefully the soy sauce adds flavor to the skin. I'm going to coat both sides with oil. Again, no real recipe, just go by feel, and just make sure everything gets coated with soy sauce and coat it with oil. All right, before I add the turkey to the roasting pan, I'm not using a V-rack. I'm just putting some vegetables down, just a half of onion that I coarsely chopped, a couple green onions, and some celery. And the idea of using this is that this will flavor the juices coming off the bird. Here's the turkey, coated with soy sauce and just rubbed with oil. I used avocado oil. There's nothing in there. I didn't trust the bird. I'm just gonna throw this in the oven. Try to keep it as simple as possible for this 2-hour roasted turkey. So right now, I'm just gonna throw this into a 450-degree oven for 1 hour, and I'll be back in an hour. All right, here's the turkey out of the oven after 1 hour at 450. So here's the unique part. After 2 hours in the oven at 450, you pour 2 cups of water over the turkey. Now you rotate the bird, meaning you rotate the pan, put it back in the oven for another hour at 400 degrees. So into the oven, 400 degrees for 1 more hour. All right, the turkey's been in the oven for another hour. I'm going to take it out, and this should be done. Let me temp it. Curious how it's doing. We want 160 or higher. So it's definitely 160 and rising. So it's done. So about 170. So this turkey's done. It looks good. I think the soy sauce added color. I'm checking the skin. Its skin is crunchy, crispy. 2 hours. High temperatures. Adding the hot water. You get extra broth to make gravy. That's why I added vegetables on the bottom. This time I did not use a rack, and I did not truss the bird. As you notice, as the bird cooked, everything sprawled out. So the turkey is lounging and relaxing. If you truss the bird, it forms a nice tighter package, or like a Costco chicken. But we're just interested in eating the turkey. No presentation here. Cut and eat. Oh well, since I broke the skin, might as well give it a quick taste. Crunchy. Has a pretty good flavor. Can't go wrong with crunchy tritlins or cracklins. All right, I carved some turkey. Here's the breast meat, the white meat. Here's some dark meat, and here's some crackling skin. I tried some. I like salt and pepper, especially pepper on turkey. Let's give it a try. It's cooked, still moist on the breast. Dark meat is usually retains more moisture, so I'm sure this is good. That's definitely good, especially with the extra salt and pepper. Try some of the crackling skin. Nice and crunchy. I would say this 2-hour method for a 17-pound bird worked really well. Pretty simple. And when you're in a hurry and you need to get the bird done with no thermometer, just throw it in for 2 hours, and I'll have a description of the recipe at the end of this video.